You're no pass.
Look to you.
They're gonna waste as much ball as they can.
Sack.
That was so almost a sack.
Let's go. They're calling timeout. It's okay. It's okay.
Huge first down. And that's the thing about the blitz.
Now you're standing.
Intense.
You know what? You're standing, Jordan.
Were you even standing when like the Cardinals were on offense? Because I didn't see you. I saw you like sitting down.
When we
He didn't get out of bounds. He didn't get out of bounds.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not.
No, he's not. See, Cox still right.
Yes, he did.
What the hell did I field goal range for one of the better kickers.
Your team sucks.
And it's become a little bit windy here.
Why is that going on? No one's
Come on. Zach.
Come on, come on.
Oh.
You can't run. You're fat.
He's better than your
Hey,
running
wait,
back.
no, they only have 2 timeouts, don't they?
Yeah, they only have 2.
No, they only got 1 left.
One left.
You suck at life.
I forgot about it. I thought they had all 3 timeouts.
Jeff Reed, and when you kick at Heinz Field in Pittsburgh, you're kicking it probably
They're
the
gonna look
toughest
for a tie game.
in the NFL.
Look at Reed, he's got the pressure.
Tough, but what
clutch,
about
though.
the wind? Andrea, you're down there. What's going on?
Well, it's definitely picked up down here.
Against them.
They're trying to go for it. Field
Actually, I think it's on.
They're trying to just get in a field goal range, just so they can go for a field goal if they need to tie it.
Hey, this game is not going into overtime. This is not going to be the first Super Bowl to go in overtime. No, it's not.
We need a sack.
You're gonna lose.
Dude, I'm going to win in
We need a
overtime.
sack right here.
A sack or an interception?
We need interception would be great.
A turnover.
Interception would be just amazing right now. But
That guy needs to get beat up. Just saying.
You know there's going to be a fight here.
If Arizona wins, there will be a brawl.
Yeah, really.
And I'm going to kill it.
Okay.
Especially you.
No. We got this.
What?
Yes!
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Go! Go! Take him!
Go!
Oh! No! None of this!
flag.
None of this!
Yeah, goal line.
Screw the flag!
Trying to get up to the line of scrimmage, but they will take it.
George, why is it quiet? Boone, why is it quiet?
Dude, it's
Why is it quiet?
gonna be a close one.
Unbelievable pass.
No!
Dude, why would you not cover it?
Stupid 47 fell
Hey, you
down.
wanna watch? Remember, you cursed Cardinals. It's your fault, George.
I love this church show, really, I do. Get it?
Brings it back and then gets it to Santonio Hall.
Oh.
You're not gonna get one more good stop. It's done.
No more time's up. 125
Doesn't
yards.
matter, I don't need no more timeouts. It's like, there's the goal line. Go over it.
That's not easy. You haven't done it in the second half.
Propel the Cardinals to go all the way into the end zone to win the game. Forget about the
Yeah,
Crazy.
they're gonna get 2 touchdowns in 9 seconds.
If they do get it, they have time to.
Yeah, Fitzy. 5 seconds, that's it.
It's gonna break his life.
I don't like this goal line positioning right here.
Really?
No, I don't either, but we got
Oh, you guys are done. Look at 2 gaps there.
Dude, we got it.
This is it.
Stop him! Stop him! Stop him! Stop him! No! Yes! See, 50 would have caught that.
Yeah, he would have definitely got it.
Why? Why?
His name's Fitzy.
You think they're going to have to do
Fitzgerald,
something to
actually.
Santonio Holmes over there for the deep one?
Right through there.
I mean, he was
See?
open and
That's exactly what I do in the end
again.
zone.
Oh, through the
Jumping miss.
fingers!
Yeah, right through my
I
hands.
think what's the next thing?
Actually, that actually happened.
You know, Santonio
Yeah.
Fingers.
One thing to me, the
He was
next
on
thing
his
You're like, now your head.
Shut up.
You're like right into it now.
There'll be a fight tonight.
Stop it. Stop it now. Stop them. Intercept. 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 Sack. Something.
Throw the ball.
No. No. He's out of bounds. Out of bounds. He is out. Out. He's out.
He is out.
He's out of bounds.
His right foot was in there.
No.
He's out.
Ref has not called a touchdown yet.
Touchdown. Yeah.
He hasn't called it.
Yeah, it did.
Did he?
We got time. We got 2 time left.
No!
They will take a long look upstairs. Then
He's out! He's out! And he is...
in.
No!
He's in.
No!
Damn it, that's my number!
No!
You cursed it!
Hold on a second, I don't know if he got his other foot.
No, he got them both.
Both are down. He's playing.
Oh, dude.
That's solid.
Oh my... No!
these 3 Cardinals of it.
No!
Hey, you know what? Would you do that in the end zone? Yeah, because you just did.
The right foot is coming up.
Oh my
It's down
god!
on the ground.
This is too intense! It's not fair.
As he has control
There.
over
Everyone take a deep breath in.
right there.
And then Michael gets right.
Really?
How about a high jump kick you in the face?
No kidding, where's the holding penalty?
Where?
Stand.